I was concerned for a sec that it was not gonna be on. And hopefully the stream doesn't crash for like 6 times. Hey guys, look, it's 6:09. Everyone cry, it's 69.
69, am I right?
Alright, are you ready, derp?
Are you ready, kids?
Start the game.
I'm not starting the game till you say what I want you to say.
No, I refuse.
Are you ready, kids?
Start the game.
You're such a non-team player guy.
Leslie.
Yes, Leslie. Okay.
Just profile picture.
1.
It's Uno, say it right.
1, 2, 3, 4. I do not like that voice. What the
Alright.
I'm not taking that.
I was about to skip, but you don't have any.
It's okay. Oh my god, you are
my
literally...
God. Well, I mean, I guess it wouldn't matter either way.
She is picking a fight with me right now.
I'm screwed. Look who I'm next to.
I'm so sorry. You might change it to red. Red.
Once he freaks me over.
Red.
I dare you. I dare you. I know you have a green.
Ooh, thank you, Leslie.
Leslie, thank you.
It's like Leslie from The Amazing World of Gumball. Oh my god, I freaked out.
No, you have one.
She has yellow. She has yellow.
No.
Ooh. Ooh. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do?
It wouldn't matter either way. I can 4+ her.
Ah, they're gonna win.
We lost. Yep.
Those people sucked big fucking pieces of glass.
You know, we don't have our luck because we haven't watched Back Butter yet.
Oh, right, you're right. We haven't. Sebastian hasn't given us the luck of, and the thing doesn't stop. The stream does not stop.
Steam stopped working, guys.
See, the Steam stopped working. Oh my! What was that? You dropped? Did you drop? You dropped something. I heard you like drop something.
Start the game.
Ah! You weenie. Oh wait. Oh, that's cool. Wait, derp. This is actually good. You know what happened?
What?
So apparently, when you have an RTMP, there we go. RTMP link. When I start the stream again, the stream doesn't actually stop. It's just offline. So we can just continuously have the same stream, which will make it much easier for me to edit. Oh my god, thank god. No! Oh, I wasn't paying attention! Does he have a green card?
He probably has one. Ugh.
Yes! Yes!
Yes, but you don't have any red.
No!
Matter anyway.
I was literally talking about the link, and then we lost.
You don't have Sebastian's luck.
We should just take a quick break and then come back when we finished another episode of Black Butler. Hey guys.
Quick break.
We're gonna take a quick break because we're gonna watch Back Butters. God damn it! Why the girl in the right, the pal?
I don't like. I'm not gonna give her a like at all. If she's nice or anything, I'm not giving her a like. That's right, you fucking little slut bitch.
Hey, come on! Don't judge someone for their looks. Oh my god! Never mind.
Oh yeah, skipped you.
Oh no! This bitch.
People judge me a lot, so why not judge them?
Okay. I might have made a mistake. I'm sorry!
Okay, we're doing bad so far.
Oh, Sebastian, why aren't you here with us to give us luck?
Sebastian!
What if Sebastian played Uno? Oh my god. Does she have a red card? Does she have a red card?
Who cares? Maybe she does.
Yes, she has a red card. She has red. Keep that in mind. Skip game.
Skip game. I'm not giving any of y'all likes. You know, I start salty.
Oh my god. Derp has the salt coming through every orifice of her body. That sounded wrong.
That's disgusting. We're doing well. We're doing well. We are.
Oh! Yes! Yes! I'm so loud right now. My mom's gonna get so mad at me. Yeah!
Yes! Vengeance!
Vengeance! The sweet, sweet vengeance.
Yes. Vengeance riling through our veins.
Mwahaha! Let's not get too cocky, cause there is a chance we are still gonna lose. No! I'm doing a dance right now, like, as I'm sitting down. Oh my god, don't you dare! Yes.
Can't do anything.
No! Does she have a green? Does she have a green?
I don't know.
Yes! No! No! She has no green! She has no green! And we don't have green either. Oh my god, we were being too cocky.
Yeah.
No! I insist. No red! No red!
2+, I don't care. I don't care anymore. Yes! Okay,
I'm still in first place. We have 15 seconds.
I didn't mean too much. Don't go fast. Just use as much time as possible.
Don't do anything. Don't do anything. Don't do anything. Yes!
We win!
Oh my god, yay! Weak! I'm leaving. This is trash. Absolute garbage.
I got an ad about fish.
I got an ad about like Scribble or like when you assign letters.
Oh, the scrambled
Yeah.
game.
Yeah. The boys are back. The boys are back.
Oh, start the game.
Wait, what?
I need to start the game.
Start the game then, miss. Oh my god. I just choked on my own saliva.
I was eating an oatmeal cookie.
Oh, you said that's so cute.
No.
Yes. Damn it, I should have skipped!
It doesn't matter. Maybe she was right.
Ah!
Good choice.
Good choice.
Good choice, Ray.
Very good choice. Skip game, skip game.
Very happy.
Well, not really, but you have a reverse card. Oh my god. No, no. Oh my god, wait, no! Ah!
It won't matter. It won't matter.
Mwahaha! You have been duped! Oh! I was about to fucking scream because I did not click Uno.
Should I give her 4+, or maybe she might have?
Do not, do not, do not. Oh!
Yes.
Yes, bow down to us. Oh my god! Yes, the moolah!
Yes, finally.
Give you a like.
I'm gonna give them both likes anyway.
Kinda selfish.
No, the reason why is because Ray
Was helping us.
just picked yellow.
Okay, well, I have to go clean my cat's litter box, so I will be right back. You talk to the stream.
Well, hell. Alright.
Hold on. Before I go, I'm gonna look back at this video, or the stream, and just see what you were saying, just so to see if it's funny.
Alright, I don't know what to talk about. Hello, everybody. Awkward. Okay, I don't like this. I slurp a lot when I drink anything out of anything, to be honest, because Yeah, it's just out and all you hear is it's a big slip. And it makes people annoyed sometimes. Yeah. We were talking about Star Wars references. Yeah, like Palpatine and stuff. And yes, because yeah. Today was an interesting day. People on the Mino were talking about sexy fish dick all day, which was interesting. And I was drawing, and HJ was doing his meme, and yeah, today was just interesting. I don't know. I guess for some reason my only thought from that fish thing on Amino, my first thought for some reason was how the hell was Toonie able to get Jake out of the water? If that's just my opinion. So we made another Jake meme. I got a bunch of oatmeal cookies because I like oatmeal cookies. Do you guys like oatmeal cookies? Or at least the iced ones? Or any type of oatmeal? Anything at all? Hey guys, interesting fact. Next month on, I believe, June 9th, I think, is me and HJ's friendiversary. So, yeah, 1 year of being friends, which is awesome. Have any of you guys drawn Sin before? It's like one of the best relief you can ever do. I want to know if you guys have drawn Sin before. Well, guys, drawing Sin is like one of the best things you could ever do. 15. Oh, well, that makes sense. Surprisingly, in that exact time, my tablet has 15%. Number 15. Number 15. The moment your 15-year-old sister drew something on the sidewalk, King Derp's tablet has 15% in the exact same time. What a coincidence. I don't like talking to myself. I can't talk to you guys, but it sounds weird. I don't like talking.
I'm back!
Hi, HJ.
Hi, what were you talking about?
Just a bunch of random stuff, honestly. I was just rambling off with random things I couldn't think of. I'm not good at talking, okay? You left me in a very bad position.
Oh my god. I'm looking at the chat right now. I've been saying Jack, but I just realized his name is Jake. I'm Jake, guys. It's been a lie to you.
Interesting.
Cringe.
Yeah, cringe.
Wow, thank you. That's such a compliment.
Yeah.
I got an ice cream sandwich.
Oh, lucky you.
Ha ha ha.
You heard nothing. ASMR, like a freaking...
You didn't hear me chewing?
I hear you chewing. Alright, start the game! Alright.
Okay. I'll start the game.
No, why
Oh, okay then.
does this cookie taste like cement?
The cookie taste like cement?
Don't ask how I know.
Oh. Okay.
No, it's actually hard as a rock also. God, this is terrible. Blue.
Nah. Hi guys, I'm doing unintentional ASMR because I'm fucking hungry.
You're the one to talk. Just kidding.
Oh no.
I'm uncomfortable.
Ah!
Oh no, you thought wrong.
Oh no! Come at me! My god!
No. Change to the yellow green, help me. No!
Someone's telling me to eat sand. Sand is actually crunchy. So yeah, I might enjoy it. Stop skipping me!
Oh my god, I have
I
nothing.
freaking didn't ask for this. What do I do?
I don't know. I actually don't know anymore. Pretty fucked.
This is the worst game ever.
What?
Nah! Does she have a blue card?
Who knows?
Yes. No, she has no blue. She has no blue! That's why she changed it, because she knew she didn't have any blue.
Game. You have no skips?
No!
Do something!
Ah! Pickle!
I can't do shit.
Oh my god, it's Pickle Rick. That's the funniest shit I've ever seen. I hate you. Well, I'm now eternally angry. Derp, are you okay? Let's try again!
I sent cats because
This is
you got no
banter.
respect.
What's... I don't know what banter means, I'm sorry. Miranda and Lexi.
Oh, I was about to say, is my friend playing this game? But no, he doesn't look anything like my friend.
Oh my god, I picked that one. Okay.
Oh, this should be interesting.
I need to, like, pay attention carefully, because I've just been recklessly putting down cards. Oh god, do I change it red or keep it yellow?
Do whatever feels right. Do not question the noise.
You've been making weird noises this whole time. Okay, then.
A lot of things have been happening.
Ah! Derp, help me! Help me! Help me!
I mean, if I can.
Because then we have more power cards in the blue area.
No. Yeah. So use my wild.
If you want, I kind of recommend it because I have red. Yeah. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm yelling so much. I don't want to yell at you.
No, I'm just not sure.
No.
See, because of that.
This game is a mess.
Hold on, maybe she got something. Okay, we know that she has no yellow. Yeah, if that's useful.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Okay.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my.
He does something weird. We're screwed. I have a bad feeling. I kind of knew it. It wouldn't matter anyway. Yep. Yeah, okay, we did that.
You want to take a break?
Yeah.
All right. We watched. We started to watch. Me and Derp. We finished Cells at Work, and then we started watching Black Butler, and then I finished Hanako-san or Hanako-kun, because Hanako's a boy. I forgot for a sec. Okay. That was the whole dynamic. That he's a guy instead of a girl.
Yeah.
Yes. My opinion so far on Black Butler is actually, it's good. It gets weird at sometimes.
But okay, yeah, it's good. I won't question. Does anyone know Black Butler?
I mean, it's an iconic anime because it is pretty popular. So
True.
there might be a chance someone here knows it.
Yep. Guess what? It's like one of the best animes of all time.
So is Assassination Classroom and Cells at Work and Hanako.
Demon Slayer.
I've not watched Demon Slayer, so give me a minute.
Watch it. You're gonna fall in love with it and get emotional. Freaking every single episode for some odd reason, even though it's not that bad. I highly recommend it.
Yes. I heard like rattling downstairs. I think my cat's playing with her toys.
Huh.
Oh, I watched JoJo as well. I'm only up to episode 7 of the first season because I'm kind of slow with it. Fucking some kid peed his pants. What?
I think just something happened.
Wait, are you not in the app anymore?
No, because you said you're taking a break, right?
Oh no, I'm still in the app. Like I'm waiting till we are like ready again.
Alright, hold on. I need to do something. I am.
Derp is triggered right now. Are you good, Derp?
Huh. I'm good now. Yeah, I think I'm good.
Alrighty, good. I wish Card Carnival was still going on.
What?
I wish Card Carnival was still going on.
Yeah, that would probably help.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, let's just go into Uno and take like 1,000 years too for me to reload.
High quality noises. Are you eating your phone?
No, I'm eating a fucking cookie. And apparently no one likes oatmeal cookie.
That's terrible. Okay, I'm gonna stop reading the chat right now because I need to focus on the Uno.
Yeah, I'm almost joining. So invite me.
Okay. Hey, Derp. Mm-hmm. If you had to pick one Salty DK Dan video, what would you pick? That's your favorite.
Do I have to call? No.
The what?
Which one's my favorite Salty video?
Yeah, favorite video from Salty DK.
I don't know. What's yours?
Probably either the Irwin video or the baby Nene baby.
Oh.
Or the new one he just posted, the girlfriend one.
Yeah, I would say that one or the Nene baby.
Nene baby's iconic.
Mm-hmm. Invite me.
I did.
I didn't get an invitation.
Oh, did you just join the game?
I just joined.
Hold on. There we go.
There we go. I got it.
Now, Derp, I'm gonna ask you something.
Uh-huh.
Are ya ready, kids?
God, you fucking suck. I'm literally trying. How dare you disrespect Stefan Hindenburg?
Hindenburg.
I don't know. That's how I say his last name.
Okay, well, I don't know which go round we're playing. So.
We're playing 8. Should we go lower? Because I'm kind of scared of losing more money that way.
Sure, might as well.
Alright, we're gonna go 4 then. My
Oh,
battery's running low.
Okay.
Don't worry. I have a charger right here.
Okay.
I just stabbed it in the hole.
Oh, that's...
No. Stop thinking dirty.
Alright. I'm not dirty.
Honey Q and Z.
Honey Q.
Oh my god.
Honey Q. Oh, Honey Q.
What the heck? Oh my god, already.
Okay.
We're already starting off with the reversed tactic.
So Garlic corrected you. He said Hillenberg, and I heard you say Hillenberg, which makes me confused as well.
I don't know. I said it like Hindenburg, like the Zeppelin.
Yeah, but it's alright.
I've been pronouncing his last name wrong this whole time.
I know. Oh, frick.
Yes, be disappointed. Put down all your cards.
No. I'm gonna play the bad game. 2. I was gonna say 2+, that's fine. Oh, fine, I'll put all my cards down.
Thank you. I swear if you reverse. Thank you. Oh no.
I don't care, I'm helping you anyway.
We're helping each other, but I clearly didn't help you that round. Oh no! Does she have a red?
I don't. She probably.
Yes!
Yes. Change the color. We know he has green. He probably has something.
Wahaha! He has no yellow. The man has no yellow. Reverse. 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 Because he has no yellow. We're gonna bully him.
I don't think he might have a reverse.
Damn it! Waha! Waha! I'm doing the man dark laugh. You know, from Dexter's Laboratory, that kid with the bowl cut. No!
Why did they release the 4 Plus early? I just knew it.
You people suck!
I am so salty.
Oh my god. Some of these opponents are really good, and then we're just like, we don't stand a chance.
I know.
Oh my god. The profile picture.
This is interesting. Interesting.
Derp's about to make fun of the emo culture.
No, I can't, Derek. You know why? Because I am emo.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. Should I start dirty or should I just pick
Just do it.
Alright. Kinda knew it. I knew we had one.
No. Okay, no. I'll help you. I'll help you. I'll help you.
Alright. I don't know. I'm gonna do yellow.
I'm Mario.
Well, how about that?
A blue. Damn it. I have the whole stack load.
You can help me.
Oh, of course I can. Look at your stack and look at my stack.
Look, I can help you. I can help you. Okay.
Fine, you asked for it.
Do something. Do something. Do something. Okay.
No! I'm going to murder. No, I'm not going to murder. I'm not going back to jail. Skip game.
Next game. And I'm gonna eat.
Oh my god, please don't. Don't you dare. Frick you. Fricky dicky.
Ooh.
I said a bad no word.
Okay, skip game. Hopefully she doesn't want yellow. Hello.
Yes!
Yep.
This is the advantage of having a lot of cards. You get a good chance at... You still...
Think she has 2 plus and I don't think... Yes. Yes. Yes.
Now, change it to blue.
I can't.
I will.
Wait. Yes. Change to blue. Yes. Yes.
Wahaha! Yes! We win! Strategize!
Yay.
Weak! My neck is itchy. And no, it's not because of sushi.
Okay.
I didn't eat sushi. Why did you assume I'm allergic to sushi?
I don't know because you never. I'm sure you were itchy there and there, but from that one day, you were just all over the place for some odd reason.
Yeah, but there was no, signs of an allergic reaction. All I was just itchy.
Yeah, but I could. Who knows? Maybe it was something in it that.
Oh my god, Gigi.
Gigi!
What is it? the name and the profile picture makes me laugh.
It does though.
It's Frank!
My husband!
Your husband turned into a cartoon rabbit. And now we're gonna kill him.
What would you do with that?
It was me. No, you don't. He's not real.
I love him!
Oh no, my laugh. I just turned into a goblin. Why do I feel like you're purposely gonna fail so you could just let him have the win?
No.
Oh, he has no yellow.
Yeah, he has no yellow.
Derp!
Yeah.
Derp. I swear to God, if you do this, just because of this random person that just reminds you of your husband, I'm actually going to get mad at you.
Okay.
Derp, stop talking like that. You're gonna worry me.
Okay.
Oh my god, never mind.
Put down the fucking card. It's down the 3!
Oh, he just threw an egg at you!
Dude, a freaking. Ugh.
Oh, he hates you now.
No, I still.
He has a blue. He has a blue. He has a blue. Oh my god! He's like worshiping this girl right now.
Yeah.
Karma.
How does karma that do?
I'm fucking killing this man with the eggs. Oh my god. Okay, no, that's definitely not Frank. That's an asshole right now.
No, it's not Frank. Frank is more of a gentleman.
You. First of all, he's not a gentleman because he fucking he's going to hitman a kid that's possibly his son.
I don't care.
What the fuck?
It's really. I saw an ad in the live stream.
Ow, my head. I hit my head.
I'm looking at it on my phone.
Derp X Frank.
Oh my god. Okay.
Dank. The ship name is Dank.
Dang, yeah, the best. Dank is the best.
Yeah, you're gonna marry like an adult man wearing a rabbit mask when you're barely 14.
Hey.
Yes, hey, you're committing illegal activity.
I don't care. It's love.
No, it's not. It's pedophilia.
Oh, I'm in love with a criminal.
You're in love with an adult man. You absolute genius. I am a genius. I'm fucking Jimmy Neutron smart. Well, actually, now if you think about it, I watched Jimmy Neutron like a couple weeks ago, and I kind of realized something. He is sort of like me because he is smart in school, but not with decision-wise.
Oh wow.
Because I was watching the movie, so apparently Jimmy Neutron thinks it's a good idea to get to like wish away your parents, because he wanted to go to this amusement park thing, and he sneaked out. So like, yeah.
That's terrible.
I know, right?
Like, damn. You ready to start the game?
Alright. One of the Subway kids.
You know what? I am one of the Subway kids.
Yeah, that marries the fucking man in the mask, who is like way older than you.
We don't know that.
Oh right, it's just another kid in a mask. That's very, very tall.
And kind of sexy.
Oh my god, Derp.
I'm sorry. It just had to be done. So, skip game, sort of. Just skip game anyway. I don't care if I don't have my green, red.
No, it's Uno time.
Uno.
I want to accept it, but the game's forcing me, so ha!
I hope he doesn't have
Oh
one.
my god, no, he does.
He wants one.
Yes! No! Wait! Fuck!
It doesn't matter, I guess, I'm gonna help you anyway.
That's my cry for help.
We just need to somehow reverse this. Oh, wow.
Oh, great. This is the greatest day ever.
No, we got this. We have time. I'm gonna reverse it. I'm gonna screw this kid over.
Nice. 1, 2, 3. No!
Try me!
No, she's not trying. She's not trying hard enough.
There.
Plus 2 him! Ah!
Then plus 2 now. And I'm gonna do the skip game.
And then I put down my 5.
Oh yeah. And do I just change it yellow or keep it red?
I mean, I can get rid of my red, and then you save the thing for the last thing. Or just do that.
I didn't think about it. He might have yellow. Yep. Okay, I'm a 4+ shit out of this guy.
Change it to red, please, to God.
I don't care if you're gonna return back at me. It won't matter anyway.
Mwahaha!
It won't matter.
Mwahaha! I don't know if I count this as a victory or an absolute loss.
Why not both?
Yeah, you know what? Let's just call it both.
Who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
SpongeBob SquarePants!
Absorbent and yellow and porous is he.